Welcome everybody. We are out at Doc's Harley Davidson today showcasing the 2021 Ford F-250 Super Duty. We have the bright orange Harley Davidson color, the light bar down below. Let's get down low here and check this out. So we've also got the steering stabilizers, full Fox suspension, BDS, custom lift right here, all blacked out to match the truck for the Harley Davidson edition. You have these beautiful 22-inch Harley Davidson wheels that are supposed to mimic the Fatboy wheels. 37-inch BFG mud tires. Let's get these beautiful Harley Davidson motorcycles in here too. So we've got the rock guards that also do have the steps. So as you can see, the steps come out too. So some of the other features this has, as you can see, it has the full tonneau cover with the Harley Davidson logo on it. Very cool feature. It's got the Harley Davidson logo on the back. As you can see, they've got the Harley Davidson tips on it, blacked out.